You think I just waddle? Mate, I have survived Antarctica in nothing but feathers and attitude. It is minus 60 Celsius degree. The wind is trying to slap me sideways, and I am chilling, literally. My feathers? Waterproof, windproof. A square inch of my skin holds over 100 ultra-fine feathers. That is like wearing a high-tech puffer jacket 24 hours, 7 days. Densely packed for insulation, waterproof for survival. When I molt, I lose all my feathers at once, called a catastrophic molt. No swimming allowed during this awkward phase.